Hey everybody, welcome to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you want to learn how to make money with your tech, get tips, tricks, and how-tos, make sure you hit that subscribe and bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. So, we got a nice little bottom-mounted power supply. That makes the processor power headers quite a ways away from the power supply. So that's interesting.
Well, you know how to properly run cables.
I do. And am I going to? No, because it's going to get redone. Soon, maybe not, but sooner.
Do you have all them fancy holes in that case right there?
Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen memory slots like that. Just one side has a clip. You ever seen that? Huh?
On the motherboard, but I haven't seen that on the. But it only needs one side.
Well, but usually it's got two that you push down and clips in the boat. This one, you basically have to start this side. And that kind of is interesting. Okay, so it does clip. How do you unclip it? Huh. Alright, well, she's locked in.
I'm just laughing. I don't know what else to do but laugh at you. You're.
Oh, well, I'm tired and a little loopy and delirious. Alright, so, is this the order you guys put them together in? Because I don't know what order I put them together in, whatever looks like it's going to fit well next. So does the fan? I would think point out the fan port, probably. Because usually it points down. So yeah.
Well, there's a fan port down there for there's a.
You don't even know. And not because this is necessarily the correct time for it, but because I'm about to knock them off the table, it is time to put the hard drives in. Don't look at my personal stuff on my phone. Like I haven't shown you guys like my email address and every freaking thing else. Okay, so I'm almost thinking, well, that wouldn't work. That doesn't make any sense. But it is long enough. Theoretically, I could run over any 5.5s that would go in the bays there. And then through the hole there, and then back through the other duty.
Oh, it's only a 3-pin. Ooh. Got that right? Yeah, virgin connectors always scare me. Worried I'm gonna make a mess or something.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe you agreed with that.
I'm always waiting for you to break it, so.
Well, you know, so far, I haven't heard any of that nastiness sound.
Snap.
And we're going to turn that RGB sync on. Okay, so this, whoa, that's cool. So that's how you do it. When you have multiple RGB devices,
Mm-hmm.
it's this is a Y here,
Mm-hmm.
and see that's a female, or male and female.
Uh-huh.
Wonder what happened if you plug them into each other. Don't do it. Short story. The arrow marked pin can only be plugged into the plus 12 volt header socket to avoid shortage. And there, clearly marked, 12 volt. Hopefully, it's not lying to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead and plug that doohickey. Arrow, 12 volt arrow. And we are friends. Doesn't seem like it sticks on there as well as I would expect it to. But I'm not going to try to be forceful, because it doesn't seem like a wise idea. Okay. And hey, other than a couple SATA connectors, I think this is a computer.
Show them a good picture of the back.
Yeah, all the nasty ass wires. But I agree it's part of it, but at the same time,
But that's why they're behind it.
So yes. Come on, use the force. Force that thing in there. Huh. A little trouble lining stuff up. Here we go. Ooh. Shit. No, I didn't break shit. Thank you for being concerned though. Okay, so these are both gonna have to be straight. Because that 90 is too much. You can't get it on the connector in there. Like, because the way the metal sticks out. So that one I need to flip over. Which that one was. Not a problem. Usually it's advisable to fire up a computer several times during the build, because I'm going to get home and probably rebuild this thing 12 times now. And he just reacted with that when I made that cringing sound or noise. He reacted with, "What'd you break?" because it's happened before. I hate to be honest, but I'm truthful.
Nothing like the sound of a cracking motherboard.
Well, you know, definitely wake you up in the morning. Especially if it's your motherboard. Oh my god. I don't know if we can use this freaking back through end edge piece. Oh, okay, we're just gonna have to get it by a little bit. Make it all Mitchified. Because, yeah, otherwise there's no way that's gonna connect. That motherboard is too long. Those drive bays are too wide. You know what I mean? You don't care. You're just like, put it together so we can go home.
Alright, so this is the Lazy Tech Guys signing off. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. And remember, the day is what you make it. Let's make it a good one.